All right, welcome. Let's think of this as a different kind of health consultation today. We're going to dive into a really fascinating idea, one that might just change the way you think about your own wellness. The core idea? Your DNA is listening. Just take a second to let that sink in. This isn't just some feel-good motivational poster quote. This is a peek into our biological reality. It means every single word that comes out of your mouth could be a direct instruction to the trillions of cells inside you.
So I want you to ask yourself and be honest. What commands are you giving your body? Are you telling it to be strong and healthy? Or are you accidentally sending out signals of stress, of limitation? That's really the big question we're going to tackle.
Okay, so let's start with a diagnosis of sorts. First thing we have to do is get past an old, outdated belief that has really held us back. It's this idea that our genes are our destiny. Science has a name for it now, the gene myth. This slide really lays out the huge shift in thinking perfectly. On one side, you've got the old belief that our genes are like a fixed blueprint, a destiny we can't change. But on the other side, that's the new science, what we call epigenetics, and it tells us something incredible. Our genes are more like a dynamic keyboard that we can play. You are the programmer, and you can actually influence which genes get turned on and which get turned off. So here's the absolute key takeaway. The words you speak, they aren't just empty sound waves floating in the air. Nope, they are powerful, powerful signals that can literally reach down into your cells and flip the switches on your genes, telling them to express health or to express something else. Okay, so you're probably thinking, how in the world does a word, a sound, actually become biology? It sounds a little out there, I get it, but let's break down the science. It's actually pretty straightforward when you see it. The magic word here is cell signaling. The easiest way to think about it is like your body's own internal internet. It's the super complex messaging system your cells use to get instructions and work together. It is, quite literally, the language they speak and understand. And here it is, broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, the input. That's your spoken word. Step 2, processing. That command travels through the cell signaling pathway. And step 3, the output. A direct change in how your genes are expressed. You speak, your cells listen, and your biology responds. It's a direct line of communication. You know, here's a really powerful way to picture all of this. Imagine your body is a biological computer. Well, your voice is the keyboard. The words you choose to speak are the code that you're typing in, line by line. And your overall health, that's the output of the program you're running, every single moment of every single day. All right, now for the best part. Let's move from the science to the prescription. We've got the diagnosis, we understand how it works. Now it's time for your personal wellness protocol. This is what you can start doing like today. We're going to start with a foundational practice, a really simple but incredibly powerful morning exercise designed to consciously program your cells and, just set a positive, healthy tone for your entire day. Here it is. This is your script, your scription. Every morning, I want you to say this out loud. If you can, look at yourself in a mirror. And don't just mumble it. Speak it with real intention, with belief. Feel the weight and the truth of the words as you say them. This is your first command of the day to your biology. Now, that morning command is your launchpad. It's huge. But to really lock in this new programming, to make it your default setting, let's look at a few ways you can weave this into your entire day. So here are 3 super simple, practical things. First, conscious compliments. Speaking positive things about yourself and others sends those good news signals to your cells. Second, reframe your challenges. The moment you catch yourself saying, I can't, stop. Change the code, say, I am learning how. See the difference? And finally, verbalize gratitude. Don't just think it, say it out loud. It sends a powerful biological signal of abundance and safety. So the big question is always, how do I make this a real habit? Well, like any good protocol, we need a way to stay consistent. So here are a few tools to help you track your progress and make it stick. This is your daily checklist. It's so simple, right? It's totally doable. Did you speak your morning affirmation? Check. Did you take just 5 minutes to be mindful of your words? Check. Did you say 3 things you're grateful for out loud? Check. Use this every day. This is how you build the new habit, how you write the new code. And look, here's a quick reference chart to keep it all straight. Think of it as your take-home summary. The concept, your words literally program your biology. The daily action, speak life every day.
The expected outcome? Real positive shifts in your body, all the way down to your gene expression. It's really that simple and that profound.
So let's end with this. The keyboard is officially in your hands now. You've got the power to write the code. You are the programmer of your own biology. So the only question left is, what new, life-affirming, powerful health code are you going to write tomorrow?
Well, thanks for watching. And please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.